Hi, I'm Ray and we're indoors today. It's a frosty old day outside, but it's time to get some seeds going, and I'm going to use our heated propagator. So today I'm going to show you how we grow tomatoes, chilies and peppers in our heated propagator. So let me show you. So this is the Wilco's heated propagator, and it speeds up germination and it gives protection for your seeds from the cold nights, especially during the winter. So we have our lid, we've got two vents, slide open and shut. We've got capillary matting that's slightly damp, and then we've also got the sealed base, which is the heater unit in the base. So all we need to do is to dampen the capillary netting. We take our tray, we fill it with some compost. Today we're doing Gardener's Delight. Fill the tray up. We give the tray a bit of a water, and then we get our tomato seeds. In a small pot like this, 4 or 5 seeds will do the job. The rest can go in the packet. And then we've got some vermiculite. We can use perlite, we can just use compost sprinkled on the top, and we just give it a sprinkle just to cover in over the seeds. There we go. And then we put our top on, we close the vents, we plug it in, and we put the heated propagator in a sunny position in the house, and then we will wait for the seedlings to appear. So within 7 days the seedlings should have germinated, and then we can take them out of the heat and put them in a nice windowsill ready to grow on. So after 7 days the seedlings have sprouted, and now they need to be taken off the heat and given a light place. These were left on a bit too long and they've become a bit leggy. So I'm going to try and recover these. I'm going to put them by the light and see if they will recover. But they are a bit leggy as we've left them in the propagator for too long. So I hope that helps, and if you've got a propagator, then let me know in the comments below. And what propagator have you got? It'd be most interesting to hear if you use one, or do you just sow your seeds later in the month and put them on the windowsill. So thank you for watching, and if you're new to my channel then please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more. And we'll watch these peppers, chilies and tomatoes grow and see if we can recover these leggy ones. Thanks a lot. Cheers.